MPAC is the Municipal Property Assessment Corporation, responsible for assessing more than 5 million properties in Ontario in compliance with the Assessment Act and regulations set by the Government of Ontario. We are the largest assessment jurisdiction in North America, assessing and classifying more than 5 million properties with an estimated total value of $2.3 trillion. Every 4 years, MPAC mails a property assessment notice to every property owner in Ontario. The notice you received in 2016 is MPAC's assessed value of your property as of January 1st, 2016. Our assessors are trained experts in the field of valuation and apply appraisal industry standards and best practices. MPAC's methods to determine property values are well regarded, and our expertise is sought out internationally. Did you know that MPAC's assessments and data are also used by banks, insurance companies, and the real estate industry? Most assessment jurisdictions in North America use this approach to establish the assessed value, commonly referred to as current value assessment. MPAC uses one of 3 approaches to determine a property's value. This is determined by the property's current use and available market data. The direct comparison approach looks at recent sales of comparable properties in the market. For example, when we assess the value of a commercial property, we would look at all of the data that is available to us, the sales of comparable properties in your area, as well as the key features that affect market value. The income approach looks at a property's revenue earning power. For example, when we calculate the value of an office building, we look at the net income of the property, and then we divide that number by the capitalization rate to arrive at the current value. We derive the capitalization rates by analyzing the relationship between the sale prices and the net incomes of relevant income-producing properties. For the cost approach, value is estimated by looking at 3 key inputs. 1. The current cost to construct the building being valued. 2. The total depreciation of the building. 3. The value of the underlying land. MPAC collects data from a number of sources, such as land title documents, building permits, on-site property inspections, property owners, and sales transactions. For income-producing properties, such as retail plazas, it is important for property owners to provide MPAC with the income and expense data necessary to accurately assess and classify business properties. At MPAC, we're committed to protecting your personal information, and we are prevented from the unauthorized disclosure of this and other information under the provisions of Section 53 of the Assessment Act and the Municipal Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act. If you would like to learn more about how we assess business property types, such as retail stores, shopping centers, and office buildings, we have a range of methodology guides available to you on MPAC.ca. Want to learn more about how MPAC assessed your property and compare it to other similar properties? There's more information available to you than ever before at aboutmyproperty.ca. This secure, easy-to-use, self-serve website lets you download your enhanced property profile report, create a comparable property report, see market trends for business properties across Ontario, and more. To get started, simply register and log in using the roll number and access key on your property assessment notice.